Okay guys, so today let us find the inverse of this given function. So we have here f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 over x minus 6. So ang gagawin natin, itong f of x natin, papalitan lang natin ito ng y. Kasi we know that f of x is just equal to the value of y. Kaya itong f of x ay magiging y. Then bring down natin yung original functions natin na 3x plus 5 over x minus 6. Okay? Then the next step that we are going to do ay yung y papalitan natin ng x at yung x naman is papalitan natin ng y. So let us do that. So ito, ang y natin is magiging x. Then of course, we will have here 3y plus 5 over y minus 6. So we know, diba, may imaginary to na 1. So i-cross multiply mo lang yan. So, multiply natin si x multiplied by y minus 6. Then, of course, si 1 times 3y plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 5. So, in this case, so distribute natin to x times y. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng xy. Then, x times negative 6, negative 6x. Which is equal to 3y plus 5. Then of course, pag sama-sama natin sa kabilang side, lahat ng may y at yung the rest naman is sa kabilang side. So bring down natin itong xy. So we have here our xy. Then of course, ito yung ating positive 3y ay magiging negative 3y. Then equal to, itong negative 6x ay magiging positive 6x. Then of course, bring down natin itong positive 5. Then factor natin to. So we will have GCF y. Then quantity of x minus 3. Then of course this is equal to 6x plus 5. Then of course to get the value of y, so divide lang natin both sides by x minus 3. Then of course x minus 3. So cancel natin to, cancel natin to. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng y value. So this is our y value is equal to 6x plus 5, then of course over x minus 3. So ito na ngayon yung ating inverse function. Yung symbol ng inverse function is f raised to negative 1. So this is the inverse function is equal to 6x plus 5 over x minus 3. So this is now our inverse. So do you have question? So feel free to ask question if you have question sa ating comment section.